Today we have a very prolific speaker. Gauri Sharma works with Air India. She's also a grooming instructor. Gauri, welcome. Cabin crew job is very flamboyant. It's an extravagant job. You just need to fly, tiptoe in high heels, turn around here, look that side, check into plush, swanky hotels, and have a nice life. I'm sure it's not like that. So, what is the most important thing you enjoy in your job?
When the moment you wear the uniform and how your neighbors and people at the airport, they look at you and they stare at you, I enjoy the attention. I definitely love that. Yes, the travel is free. Yes, you get to stay in five-star hotels, and there's so much to it. But I definitely love, like I said, I'm a different personality altogether. The moment I wear the uniform and I go for the flights or go for my work.
You took up this profession out of the cuff. It was not planned. You went there, saw an advertisement, you applied, and you got rejected. But what was the drive in you? नहीं मुझे तीसरा बार भी इंटरव्यू में जाना है, and with the same josh you went third time. What was that? What was the driving force inside you?
That's how you're talking to one highly shameless girl. So मेरे को ज़्यादा rejection से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I believe till today I face every second month, I guess I have something bad going on, and I'm very happy because I know there's something else to learn. Initially, before Deccan, when I came to Delhi, I was just 16 and a half, and I started working with hotels. I remember I happened to make two friends, and they used to take me for interviews because I used to stay in a hostel and I didn't have enough money, and they had a bike and they could actually take me for the interviews. I guess I got rejected for I'm not lying, some 70 to 80 times. I gave interview in McDonald's, I got rejected. Pizza Hut, Vodafone used to be Hutch, I gave interview, I got rejected. I was getting rejected, even Just Dial rejected me because I don't think I don't know what was the reason, but I was getting rejected every day. But I was still getting up next morning and going for the interview because I had nothing to do. I was in a hostel, and I knew that I knew that I don't want to go back home, and I really want to be here, and more importantly, karna hai to karna hai no matter what. And after giving so many interviews, and finally when I could make it to one, and when I see my journey now after 15 years, I feel so happy. And I guess rejection is definitely a part of the journey, and more importantly, रिजेक्शन होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आपको इतना इजीली मिल जाएगा तो यू विल नॉट वैल्यू. सो या
टुडेज किड्स ना, उनको एक बार रिजेक्शन हो जाते हैं तो लोग दे गिव अप. वो क्या करना चाहिए उनको? व्हाट इज द थिंग दे नीड टू डू?
I guess the self confidence, and you shouldn't leave that ever. When I started, I guess most of the people used to say, or my friends used to say, that you're not pretty. You'll never be a cabin crew. They used to say that, join here and there and join on ground. You aren't pretty. I guess most of them used to say that you aren't pretty. And all I know that I used to think that I'm the most beautiful girl ever. Like you've been brought up and your mom always say, Mera bachcha sabse sundar hai. I don't know. I was in my own world and I always felt, sir, till today, I just have this thing. If not me, then who else? Whenever I go, whatever I do, I don't know why, but the moment I step out of my house, I go extra confident, even if I know that I just got rejected yesterday. I'm still so confident because I feel mera hi hai. All you have to do is believe in yourself and let the people or your family or the world say whatever they have to, because okay, I also belong to a small town. Pathankot is a very small town, and I have a very conservative family. However, they all are into government. We are 5 kids. My brother is in Navy, my sister is in Army, the other sister is a principal in college, one is doctor. I'm the only one, who became, who literally went on the other side, and she's a cabin crew, and then a DJ. And when my parents and my siblings, they see me and my nephews and niece, and they feel so proud, and they say, we're so proud of you, Masi, and we're so happy that you did it. I guess it's all I could have is confidence, because I have my own world where I feel it's okay, reject ho jayenge, koi baat nahi, at least I know I tried. That is very, very important. And I will try 100 times to have it.
What are the tips you want to give for anybody wanting to enter this industry? What are the three things you want to tell them? Three tips.
One is definitely the confidence. Your confidence will take you to places, so don't leave that. Second, I know we go a little superstitious and we start going to pundits and all that. All I want to say is, I won't say all these things do not matter. All I want to say, it's 80% of your hard work and 20% of your destiny or your luck. So they play a role together only when you're working hard. If you're not, you're just lying in the bed and you're not getting out of the house and you expect somebody to come and take you, that doesn't happen. You're in your la la land and you need to get out. So definitely second is hard work. Third, last but not the least, but you have to be really patient. If you really want something, you really need to be patient. It will come to you. हर चीज का एक टाइम होता है. क्योंकि आप भी सर अपना हिसाब से उठते हैं, सोते हैं, खाते हैं, पीते हैं. So I guess हर चीज ऐसे ही चलती है. You have to be very, very patient. Not that you want ऐसे कुछ चाहिए आपके मिल जाएगा. You keep working hard. It will come to you. If not today, it will happen tomorrow. But yes, it will.
And what are the things which a recruiter looks at while hiring?
I guess you have to be yourself. Don't like two of us are chit chatting or talking. I'm not prepared. मुझे ये बोलना है, वो बोलना है. I guess you make sure that you're well groomed, because that really matters. You're looking good. So once you're looking good and you're wearing, suppose you're a girl and you're wearing nice makeup and your hairdo is well and you're nicely dressed up, you are confident enough to enter the room. Now, when you go, just be yourself and just be honest. That's all about it, and that's yours. If you just, say those padaya answers and this and that, that won't put you anywhere. I remember when I worked with Claridge's Hotel for 1 year, and I was just 17, and when I went for the interview, I couldn't even utter a word in English, and I just went for the interview because I really wanted to stay and I really wanted to make some money also. So I remember the front office manager, he asked me, he said, why? He said, just be honest. He said, you're 17, I can't take you, honestly. But why do you want to do this? And I remember I just told him whatever I could say. And I said, sir, I'm new in Delhi and I don't know how does this 5-star hotel look like. मैं बाहर से देखती हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता अंदर आने का टिकट है क्या नहीं है. So I want to work here and just yet enjoy everything, whatever happens. I want to eat for free. I want to come here, work and get paid. So I really don't know what happens, and that is the reason I want to join. And he took me. He said, okay, you're 17, we will pay you, but no appointment letter. The day you'll turn 18, we will give you appointment letter, this letter, that letter, but nobody knows. And I was like, yeah, okay. So I guess the honesty is very important, not even while giving interview, but in your life also. कभी आपको झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. You have to, because आप किसी से झूठ नहीं बोल रहे, आप अपने आप से बोल रहे हो और अपने आप को पागल बना रहे हो, क्योंकि जो सामने आपका इंटरव्यू ले रहा है वो आपसे बहुत स्मार्ट है. So just be yourself, go and give your best.
Some students are asking अभी कैसा situation है, कोविड का situation है, क्या आपको लगता है कैसा रहेगा आगे जाके? Okay,
I know the situation is really bad and we all have got hit by it. It's just not about just the aviation is suffering. I guess all the industries are suffering. But if you see, like you see, Air India, we are flying, we are doing rescue flights. We haven't started fully, but we have started and we are going on and on and on. And Indigo, Vistara, I know बहुत सारा airline काफी bankrupt हुआ है, crew निकाला है, like you get to hear. But then, it's not just aviation. It's Corona. The most important thing in life is taking care of your health. Health nahi hai to kuch bhi nahi hai. And yes, then work comes for sure. But all I want to say that just don't give up. Jo hona hai, that has to happen no matter what. I am working. We all are working, and that's how we are doing this interview too. So it's there. Life has gone little slow, but it hasn't stopped. Tomorrow it's going to pick up again. The day we'll have the medicine. That's all about it. And the moment we'll have the medicine, we're going to be boom again. I guess that's how we just need to be, like I said, the patience. We just need to be a little patient.
whatever we are training for you at Aptech, we are giving you resilience, curiosity, confidence, creativity, lateral thinking, working in team. We are giving you skills for lifetime. We are not giving you skills for one domain. You need to understand that. It's not domain skills anymore. Our domain skills now, if Gauri is successful in her airline, it's not because she has technically sound. Of course she is. But because of her confidence, her creativity, her resilience, her lateral thinking, the ability to interact with people, customer orientation, all those soft skill is what makes Gauri tick, right? Isn't that, Gauri?
Training definitely matters. I mean, unless you're well trained, you won't be, all these things play an important role. I get that the confidence is, I did say the confidence is very important, but unless you have enough knowledge about the product, you're not well trained, the confidence won't come either. English bolna itna important nahi hai. Even if you go for the interview and you speak in Hindi, okay. But at least आप उतना confident है कि हिंदी में भी आप बात कर रहे हो and the other person is able to understand you. And when you go, you know your product. Very, very important. Like you're going for the flying interview, you need to know everything. You have to have your homework, and that's how when the education, your knowledge, and the training comes. So all these are the package. I mean, they all fall one after one and together.
Some of the students are asking that, if after becoming a cabin crew, can I move into ground staff? Can I also shift roles?
Yes. They internally hire you. I mean, even if you, okay, vice versa. If you're on ground, they give importance to their own ground staff. And in case there is a vacancy for crew, you can apply and you can get upgraded to a crew. And in case you're a crew, they give you that opportunity. Suppose somebody is gaining weight, and they don't ask you to get out of the industry. They say lose some weight. Now you do not lose. They call you and they say, how about you settle on ground, and this is what your monthly package. And plus, they don't put you on a basic thing. They put you on whatever level you deserve, like whatever rank you deserve. So that happens. That's easy. I mean, these days the industries, like I said, I just became grooming instructor last year, where there was a vacancy, and I mean, talk about Vistara, talk about Air India, even Indigo, they take their own crew, like service instructor, safety instructor, grooming instructor. So they don't take people from outside, they give opportunities to their own crew. Yeah. And plus you can do two together as well. You don't have to leave one and get into the other one.